I'm Korean.
안녕하세요.
야, 안녕하세요.
Oh my god. Totoo po? Oh my god.
한국 사람이에요. 좋아요, 좋아요.
Oh my god. Do you speak English?
Yeah, a little English.
Okay. Oh my god. That's big. Me too, a little.
A little English.
Yeah. Tagalog only.
Tagalog. Only Tagalog.
Oh yeah. Oh my ganda ng mga accent niya po. Ay, hindi
Hmm?
pa naintindihan. You ano?
What?
You have a good accent in Tagalog.
Yeah, good Tagalog.
Oh my god.
Tagalog good.
Good.
Cannot speak Tagalog. You live in Manila?
Yeah, ano tawag dito? Ano ko? Speak English pa. No, I'm from somewhere.
Oh, Sama.
Yeah, I'm working here.
Hmm.
I'm a babysitter.
I'm here.
She's
Manila.
my alaga. You know what's alaga?
Alaga. Well, alaga.
I'm the one who's...
Hmm?
Yun na yun, alaga. Basta, she's my alaga.
Ayo, yeah, alaga.
Yeah.
Where is Sama?
And ano, it's a province.
Hmm. Where is that?
You know where's Tacloban City?
Tacloban.
Yeah?
Tacloban?
Yeah, Tacloban.
Where is that?
Luzon?
Luzon?
Visayas.
Visayas.
Yeah.
Not Mindanao.
No.
Hmm. Very good.
Hirap naman ito.
You first time
more.
to ride Korean
Yeah.
travel.
Yeah,
Oh,
this is my first time.
You watch Korean drama, K-drama.
Not
Do
really.
you watch? No?
Yeah. But sometimes,
Yeah, sometimes watching.
yeah.
Mm.
Look at this car.
Before, I live in Qatar.
Qatar? Where's Qatar?
Guitar.
Qatar, you don't know Qatar?
I don't know where's Qatar. It's in other country?
Qatar man?
Ay, putik na yan.
Do you know?
Qatarman. You know, in province we have a place, Qatarman.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, you?
We have Qatarman there.
Oh.
Here in Manila has a Qatarman too, right?
Here? I
Yeah?
don't know.
I don't know? Okay, I don't know too.
You good.
Just joking.
My aunt is always joking.
Oh, he's Joker? Are you
Yeah.
Joker?
Yeah.
Are you Joker with him? What is your name? 이름이 뭐예요?
Diana.
응?
Diana.
Who is Gianna?
Yeah.
You Gianna?
Gianna.
And you
Chari.
Hmm?
My name is Charilyn, but you can call me Chari.
Chari.
Yeah.
Chari.
Chari. How about you? What's
Sorry ka daw.
what's your name?
My name?
Yeah, in Korean.
In Korean, Hun.
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 Hun?
Yeah, Hun.
Hun?
Yeah, that's my last name, Hun.
Hun.
Mr. Hun.
Oh!
Do you know?
Mr. Hun?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Oh, yeah. You know?
Wait a minute.
Before, I'm Koreano too.
Hmm?
Yeah.
You're Koreano?
Yeah.
You know you Mr. Hun?
Parang,
Yeah.
ikaw yung... Hala, ikaw ata. Yun! Ikaw yun!
Hmm? My friend.
Hindi siya. May kaibigan ka.
We have 5 Korean driver here.
Yeah, the
We have,
one. Ay, Shinge.
Happy birthday.
English dun. Bubo mo naman, Chari.
because we have 5 Korean driver here.
In the Philippines?
Yeah, we are here. We have a business.
That's Korean too.
Hmm?
That's Korean too.
What?
That car.
Okay, car?
Yeah.
No.
Oh my God, so Mr. Boon. Ikaw ba yun?
Hoon?
Yeah.
Hoon.
It's Hoon. H-O-O-N, right?
It's you and.
Ah, okay.
Yeah,
Sorry.
it's you.
It's not you. I'm wrong.
It's you and.
Ayan.
Ay, malung pangit.
Ang salita, mayroon mag-English.
How old are you?
5.
5 years old. You?
20.
20. Oh,
Yeah.
20, huh?
I'm 20 years old.
24.
I'm just look 18. Ah!
Hmm?
Just kidding.
She's 24.
24?
Oh, I'm 20
Yeah.
only. I'm
20.
2005. I have a tattoo here. I'm sorry because I don't know how to speak in English. I'm, you know.
You speak good, huh? You speak
Really?
good well. Yeah.
Oh my God, thank you. You know how to speak Tagalog?
Yeah.
You know what's Tagalog? What? Salamat po. Beautiful. Am I? I am maganda? No?
Yeah, you beautiful.
Oh, thank you
You
so
makata.
Maganda, yeah. I'm maganda.
Makata.
I'm maganda. Dapat pala video pang reels. So, guess what? Nasa ano kami? Nasa sakyan. Nag-book ako yung drive. Yung book namin is a Korean driver.
Do you know Squid Game?
His name is
Squid Game?
Hoon.
Yeah.
Mr.
Yeah,
Hoon.
very famous
Famous
movie.
vlog?
Movie.
Yeah,
Niyang kausap.
movie.
You watch it? You
Kaso
watch it?
nakakabobo siyang kausap kasi hindi ako
Yeah, I watch already.
You watch already?
Yeah.
Squid Game? You like the Squid Game?
Yeah.
Oh, good, huh?
Is it okay I take a video?
Hmm? Pichu.
No.
How long you
Stay here?
stay
Manila?
here, Manila?
It's almost 3 years.
3 years
Yeah.
here?
But,
Mm.
ano, ba yan? Here in QZ, I live here 1 year.
1 year in QC.
In Las Piñas, 2 years.
2 years, that's been
Yeah. So overall in Manila, 3 years.
3 years old. You
Yeah.
stay here. Where?
There.
Hmm?
Next time I will learn how to speak in English so I can talk to you properly.
But you go to English, huh?
Oh, thank
Where,
you so
where?
much. That one, the black car.
Oh, but wait.
Oh, my God, token wisdom.
Oh, we can maybe here in the net. Teka, gigilid lang natin dito sa... Gigilid lang natin.
Nakakainis ka ngayon.
Teka, may gwardya.
Nakakainis ang hirap ng nakakainis na nangalang ka pala.
Sobrang...
Bobo ko pala nung
Galing mo nga mag-English
Hindi
eh.
talaga.
Taga summer eh. Summer of the Philippines eh. Katarman? Katarman?
Ulo ko yung nakakainis ka. Ang bobo. Ang bobo ko pa naman.
Teka, it's a prank.
Oh, it's a
it's a prank.
Prank talaga ako.
Prank ka talaga.
Naniniwalang galing mo mag-Korea. Nakakainis.
Kilala mo si Don Bertos TV?
Opo, nakapanood ko siya.
We,
Yes. Yes.
ayan siya oh.
Totoo?
Ayan siya oh.
Ay, camera! Hello, guys!
Ayan siya.
Oh my God, ikaw
Ayan.
yun. Sabi ko na
Oo,
eh.
ako yun. So it's a prank.
Hello!
Hi! Nakita mo camera? Ito.
I Hi po. Hi guys.
You
Okay
have
lang ba?
two,
Oh my
you
God.
have two camera.
I have 2 cameras. Ayan, isa oh. Saka ito isa oh. Okay lang ba isama ko kayo sa content?
Yes!
Eh, kaso si baby, baka hindi pwede sa mga magulang niya.
I-blur mo lang gusto ko.
I-blur na lang natin
Ay,
siya.
blur mo lang.
Kasi baka hindi papayagan
Baka hindi payagan. Oh my God!
ni ma'am at saka ni
Sabi ko
sir.
na.
Pero i-message mo ako, baka pwede.
Sige po.
Tanong mo muna kay sir.
Tatanungin ka.
Ha?
Opo. Oh my God!
Kay sir at saka ma'am, nasama kami ng vlog ni Korean prankster ma'am, ni Don Bertos. Kasi na-prank po kami.
Naniniwala na ako sa iyo.
Niwala ka na? Ang galing, thank you ha.
Dami kong sinabing Tagalog, kuya. Sorry kung may
Bakit?
bad ako nasabi doon.
Okay nga, ang galing nga eh. So ito, galing sa The Gifters Garden.
Wow!
Yan.
Thank you po!
Akin yan.
Oh, ito.
Thank you! Thank you po!
Oh, bigay mo kay ma'am. Sino ba si ma'am? Anong pangalan ni ma'am?
Ma'am Graciel po.
Ma'am Grishel.
Thank you
Yeah.
po! Oh my God!
Oh, ito pa, isa pa. Galing sa The Gifters Garden by AC.
Thank you po!
Saka ito, bibigyan pa kita ng sticker. Ang dami. Ito, sticker, dalawa.
Thank you, kuya! Oh my
Tapos,
God, you're so-
it's a free ride na.
Oh my God!
Si ma'am at saka si sir, shout out pala.
Shout out kila ate at kuya! Hello!
Yan. Hello, sir.
Nasa Facebook na ako!
Sa YouTube pa.
Ay, YouTube! Oh my God! Bye-bye, kuya!
Oo.
Ingat po!
Bye,
Thank
ingat
you.
ka. ha? Oo.
Oh my God!
Nagta-transfer pala ako ng video dito sa isang na-prank ko. Habang nagta-transfer ako, sumakay sila. Sabi ko, hindi pa ready yung isang camera ko. Yung buti, mayroon pa ako isang backup na camera, kaya doon muna sila nilabas bago ito. So, it's the DD5 Dashcam. At ito naman ay Mini 5 Pro. Mini 5 Pro. DD5 Mini Pro ito. At saka yun naman ay DD5 Z40. Ayan, ito nag-message na. Ayan, shoutout kay Ma'am Grishel at saka kay Mike Aldrin. Ayan, sa pagpayag na sama natin yung anak nila sa aking content. Ayun, na-prank natin. Masaya naman. Good vibes lang naman sila, no? Silang dalawa. So, ayan. Sir Grishel at saka kay Mike Aldrin. Kamsahamnida. Salamat po. Ingat po kayo lahat. God bless you all. See you next vlog.